My name is Greg Ballestero, and I am the Strategic Advisor to IIL for Sustainability, Leadership, and Corporate Consciousness. Now, for nearly 40 years, I've been engaged in the discipline of project management as either a project team member or perhaps a manager. As a result, I'm both a practitioner and an evangelist for excellence in project and performance management. Now, over the last 30 years in particular, I served as president and CEO of 3 different professional associations, all of which were related to project management in some way. The last one was the Project Management Institute, or PMI. My work took me all over the world, and I had the privilege of meeting and working with phenomenal professionals in the field of project management. Now, I've witnessed firsthand the benefits of a formalized approach to project management, both in developing and developed nations. I've seen it applied across all industries in both the public and private sectors. Now, during my tenure as CEO at PMI, I encountered quite a few skeptics or non-believers in the discipline of project management. Their position was often stated by anyone and everyone can do project management. The comment was usually followed by, well, I do my taxes every year, or I plan my daily work effectively, and I get it done on time. I would smile and respond with a simple question. Could you do the same thing, perhaps in India, with 10 people executing your work for you? Or could you use your approach to building houses and have them built on time, on budget, time after time? Typically, they'd be taken aback at first, look at me kind of askance, and then smile and say, I get it.
Project management is so powerful that you could use it to get things done on a personal basis. If you have personal goals that you would like to achieve, you could use it to maybe earn a degree, put together a plan for your vacation, or even finish that basement. If you're a computer programmer, you can even use it to plan your computer project so that you could get it done faster. If you happen to be an engineer, you could use project management to estimate and manage your construction projects. And if you happen to be a marketing professional, you could use it as well for your marketing campaign so that you could do it effectively and efficiently.
And if you don't have someone managing a project, whether it's a small or a large-scale project, you run the risk of the project not being successful. And what that means is you could have overruns on your budget, you may not meet your delivery dates, and the third thing is you may not get the deliverables that you expected to get. So the success of a project really depends on good project management.
My name is Rob O'Donoghue. I'm currently a manager of a team of project and program managers. For the last year or so, that's been my primary role. Prior to that, I'd been a project manager for about 4.5 years, where I ran large-scale projects from initiation right through to completion and closure. I kind of spend, I'd say, half of my day having one-to-ones with some of the team that report into me. I have about 20 reports, direct reports, most of them here in Cork, but some in the US as well. So it's really having those one-to-ones, working through any issues they're having on the projects that they're running, dealing with stakeholders, dealing with team members, in issues where some of the team members do not obviously directly report into you, to try and get them to do their job, to try and get them motivated and keep them on focus, on target to achieve their goals is an ongoing daily challenge. But I really enjoy the kind of people management and the communication elements to the role.